So now we'll start the major physiographic divisions of India. So these are the 6 different physiographic divisions of India: the Himalayan Mountains, the Northern Plains, the Peninsular Plateau, the Indian Desert, the Coastal Plains, and the Islands. We will start with the first one, the Himalayan Mountains. So you can see the Himalayan mountain, the arc shape, okay, right from Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh to Arunachal Pradesh, and this is the part of Himalaya in northeast, the Purvanchal. Okay, so it shapes like an arc. And here you can see we have a Nanga Parvat, whose height is 8126 meter. It is the western anchor of Himalaya. And then towards the east side we can see another peak, mountain peak, Namcha Parva, 7756 meter. This is the eastern anchor, okay, of Himalaya. So from here Nanga Parva to Namcha Parva, the length of Himalaya is 2400 kilometer. This particular side you can see it is very wide, and as we go towards the east it became narrower. So it is about 400 kilometer in Kashmir, the width, and in Arunachal Pradesh the width is only 150 kilometer. Okay. This Himalaya mountain includes about 50 mountains whose height is more than 7,200 meter. And you know what is the meaning of Himalaya? Him is a Sanskrit word which means snow, and Ale means dwelling. That means Himalaya is the land of snow. Okay, and is a mountain range in Asia separating the plains of Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan Plateau. This range has many of Earth's highest peaks, including the highest peak of the world, Mount Everest. You can see here Mount Everest in Nepal. It includes, I said, 50 mountains whose height is more than 7,200 meter, including 10 of the 14 8,000 meter peaks. They are called 8,000er peaks. Okay. Let us see once again the Himalayan mountain. Him means snow and Ale means dwelling. So it means the land of snow. Okay. In Nepali, Himalaya is also known as Sagarmatha. People of Nepal, they call Himalaya Sagarmatha. It includes 50 mountains whose height is more than 7,200 meter. The highest peak of the world is there in Himalaya, Mount Everest, 48 meter high it is, and the length of Himalaya from west to east it is 2,400 kilometer. The western anchor I said already, Nanga Parvat, 8126 meter, and the eastern anchor, that is Namcha Parva. This is the peak where the river Brahmaputra, Yarlung Sanko, takes a turn, makes a gorge, and then enters in India, okay, in the states of Arunachal Pradesh. 7756 meter. The width is 400 kilometer in Kashmir, more in the western side, and in the eastern side width is less. It is only 150 kilometer in Arunachal Pradesh. The Himalayan range is bordered on the northwest by the Karakoram and the Hindu Kush range of Afghanistan, and to the north the chain is separated from the Tibetan Plateau by a 50-60 kilometer wide tectonic valley called the Indus-Sanko Suture, okay, in the north. And then towards the south, the arc of Himalaya is ringed by the Indo-Gangetic plain, okay. So towards west, it is the Karakoram and the Hindu Kush mountain northwest. In the north, it is the plateau, Tibetan Plateau, and in the south, it is the Indo-Gangetic plain. The Himalayas are distinct from the other great ranges of Central Asia. Okay, although sometimes the term Himalaya is loosely used to include the Karakoram and some of the other ranges. Now Himalayas are inhabited by 52.7 million people, and they are spread across the 5 countries, namely Bhutan, China, India, Nepal and Pakistan. Some of the world's major rivers, they rise in Himalaya. Indus River, Ganga River, Brahmaputra River, they all the international river, they flows in different countries. Okay, they rise in Himalaya, and they are home to their combined drainage basin, that is Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Okay, combined drainage basin is home to roughly 600 million people. The Himalayas have a profound effect on the climate of the region. The Himalaya is helping to keep the monsoon rains on the Indian plain and limiting rainfall on the Tibetan plateau as it becomes a rain shadow area, the leeward side, opposite side. And the Ganga plain, the windward side, the front side gets more amount of rainfall because of Himalaya. Okay, Himalayas have profoundly shaped the cultures of the Indian subcontinent, with many Himalayan peaks considered sacred in Hinduism, Buddhism and Jainism. So this is all for today. We have studied the features, we have seen the features of Himalayan mountain system and also the formation of the northern plain. Okay. Next class we will discuss the 3 parallel ranges of Himalaya and their features. Thank you.